Chapter-6 Dress to Impress. December 1929. Lahore session taking place under the presidency of Jawaharlal Nehru. He is dressed up smartly, wearing a hip-length tailored coat and mandarin collars, which is popularly known as Nehru jacket. It is Nehruji's favorite attire, and he has covered his head with a homemade cotton cap, which later became popular as Nehru cap, standing straight on the dais to preside over the session.
Narad, do you see how smartly Pandit Nehru is dressed?
Yes, he always carries himself smartly with his self-styled suit, cap and shoes. Projects so much confidence.
But even if he doesn't wear a suit, he will be smart, no? How does dress contribute in his presentation?
Pandit Nehru overhears the talk between Deep and Narad and joins in.
Dressing does matter, Deep. Right clothes at the right occasion helps create the right impact. Whether it be business meetings or personal ones, costumes should be chosen carefully.
I am so inspired by your dressing sense. But how do I decide what to wear on what occasion? Is there any standard dress code that we must follow?
Usually, first meeting with someone leaves a lasting impression. So try to dress in neat clothes as per the occasion is like. If it is a business meeting, wear formals and project your interest for the meeting. And if it is a casual meeting with friends or colleagues or family functions, then you can dress up as per your choice. Also, colors have a huge impact on others.
In earlier times, Pandit Nehru used to dress in suit and tie, but nowadays he is guided by Gandhiji's principle of using everything made in India, like clothes, luxury items, etc., and avoids using everything of foreign origin.
Those days, I had a fascination for clothes, but on return to India, I was depressed to see the plight of men and women across the country and took an oath to follow Gandhiji's teachings. From then on, I adopted homemade clothes.
There are some colors that attract attention in a moment, and then some that give a feeling of aggression, and also there are some colors that are known to be feminine colors. So are colors of clothes important professionally also?
Absolutely. I wear dark colors like browns and blacks and greys when I am at work or meetings or some special ceremony. They tend to enhance gravity, and when I am home, I relax in casuals. Colors do trigger specific response, so wear one as is required. You seem to be a student, are you?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to be focused in your studies, try some yellows and olive colors in your study. They are known to increase concentration levels, and also take notice of formal and traditional occasions and dress up accordingly.